Weekend Modder here with a send-in proof video for Michael R. Michael R. of Oregon. This is the console that you sent in. It is a Corona V1, so it's a 16 megabyte NAND that did not need a postfix adapter. So we actually just RGH'd it with a plain ACE V3 using the default timing file on the ACE, which actually results in, as you can see, really nice fast performance there. We did the red LEDs, as was your request. We've got Freestyle Dashboard, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console for you. By default here, you're going to see that it's going to boot up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Inside the little paper sleeve taped on top of your console here is a disk that contains your NAND dumps, your original NANDs, your UPD flash.bin, which is the NAND currently written to the console, as well as some additional software that you might find useful. Also, be sure to check out the video or the links in your final confirmation email from me. There's a link to a playlist that's really useful, as well as a link to a quick little video guide on how to walk through things. So thank you for your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up, and it'll actually head out your way tomorrow. Thanks.